In today's video, I am going to teach you how to check color contrast in Figma. Good color contrast is essential for readability and accessibility, especially for users viewing your designs on different screens or with visual impairments. I'll show you two straightforward ways to check contrast in Figma, using a plugin and using the built-in color picker. Follow along with your file open so you can try this as we go. First, make sure your design is open in Figma. With your file ready, open the Quick Actions search by pressing Ctrl-K. If you are on a different operating system, use the shortcut appropriate for Quick Actions. In the search bar, go to the Plugins section and search for Contrast. When you see the Contrast plugin, open and run it. The plugin panel will appear on the side. With the plugin open, select a layer you want to evaluate, such as a text layer or a shape. The plugin will automatically detect the background behind that layer. Sample the background's hex color code and calculate a contrast ratio between the foreground and background. You'll see a numeric ratio, like 4.5. Along with indicators that help you interpret it. Higher numbers mean stronger contrast and better legibility. If the ratio is low, consider tweaking either the text color or the background color until it reaches a level that's easier to read. If you don't see a result right away, make sure the layer sits on top of the background you intend to compare and that you've selected the specific object, not just a group. Now let's look at Figma's built. Select an element that has a fill or a stroke. Open the color picker for that element. You'll notice T here is now an option inside the color panel to check color contrast against the background directly. This is handy when you want to stay in your workflow without switching to a plugin. As you move the color sliders or enter a different hex value, the contrast information updates in real time, making it easy to fine-tune your colors until the ratio meets accessibility standards. Use this to quickly adjust brightness, saturation, or hue to find a combination that remains on brand while improving readability. That's it. Thanks for watching.